Alloy contains 22% of nickel, 30% of copper, and rest of zinc. Find the mass of zinc in 2 kg of alloy. So we have to calculate the mass of zinc in 2 kg of alloy. Solution will be alloy has nickel 22%, copper 30%, and rest of the material is zinc, which is 100 minus 22 plus 30%. Value of zinc will be 100 minus 22 plus 30%. So it is equal to 100 minus 42, which is equal to 48%. So the alloy contains 48% of zinc. Now we have to calculate the mass of zinc in 2 kg of alloy. So it is 48 over 100 into 2 kg, which is the mass of zinc. Now 48 over 100 into 2000 grams. We convert the value in grams, which is equal to 960 grams. So mass of the zinc in 2 kg of alloy is 960 grams. This is the answer.